kids, let's count and add numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. 6 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. 3 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. 4 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The answer is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.